Hey guys, I'm Christina with PurO3. Many customers want to know, how do I use my coupon code? It's simple. You can add the code while in your cart or in the checkout portal. Once you're in your cart, scroll to the bottom and there will be a section that says Coupon Code Add Coupon. Click Add Coupon, enter your code, hit Apply, and you're good to go. If you're on a desktop and you choose to check out without viewing your cart, you can add your coupon code under Order Summary. Type in your code and click Apply. If you're on mobile and go straight to checkout, you can still enter your code by clicking on Show Details in the Order Breakdown box. The code box is located right above the order total. Keep in mind, we're not able to add codes once an order has been placed, so make sure to apply it before you submit the order. If you have more questions about the checkout process, please submit them through our website, www.puro3.com. We hope this helps and happy shopping.